Assalamu alaikum students, this is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher for the new session that is going on now. So for this we are going to starting the maths of class 3. The book that I am showing you should be in front of you also with rough copies when you are listening my lecture. So the things that are important I will write, you must write on your book or rough copy so that it will be beneficial for you for the next time when you will solve the question. So today we are going to study the first chapter, chapter 1, numbers. This will be from page 1 to 5 that we are going to discussing now. So just after that in numbers we will discuss the key points are here. First of all, even numbers, then odd number, Roman number, smaller and greater. We will see this one, the rule of that, and the next thing is activity after that. And first of all, before going to starting all these key points, the content of that chapter, first of all we will just introduce that table. You should know that table so that it will be easy for you during solving that kind of question. So let's see, there are basically two numbers that we are using in our daily life: Roman symbol, Arabic numbers, Arabic numerals, Roman symbols. Look, they are not new for you. I make a diagram like this. In this diagram of clock, you will see that we are using in our daily life. This is not a new for us. Okay, so all right. This symbol is here for 1. This symbol of V is here for 5. X is here for 10. L is here for 50. C is here for 100, and then D is here for 500, and for M is for 1000. So this one you should know on fingertips, all of you. Again, this symbol is here for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500, M is for 1000. So this table, this is the basic table that we are going to using. But first of all, we have to study it from 1 to 20. How we will write from 1 to 20, and then how we can apply these numbers like this. So before discussing the number, our first topic is even number. So first of all, we are going to finish that even and odd number. Even and odd number, basically they are opposite to each other. These words are opposite to each other. When you talk about even, it means you are going opposite to the odd. So even numbers are the numbers that are divided by 2 exactly, that are divided by 2, that can be divided by 2, that is divisible by 2, that can be divided exactly by 2, like this. If I give an example of even number, they are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. After 20, 22, 24, after 30, 32, 34, after 50, 56, 58, 60, like this. And I'm saying the definition, the numbers that are divided by 2, that are exactly divided by 2, that can be exactly divided by 2, are called even number. So even how I am saying it, 2, I am saying 2, take this number 6 and let divide 2, divide this number by 2, 2 3 times 6, what will be the remainder? If the remainder is 0, it means so it is exactly divisible. This number we can divide exactly, where? Because the remainder is here 0. So this is the basics of the even number. I am going to repeating last time. Even numbers are the number that can be divisible by 2. You can use the word divisible. If you want to use the word divided, then you will say exactly also. Okay, all right. The next is here for odd numbers. Odd numbers are the number that are not exactly divided by 2. Odd numbers are the number that are not exactly divided by 2. Like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, like this, 21, then after 23, after 31, then after 33, after 51, then after 53, like this. If someone asks that how you are saying that they are not divided by 7, so take that number 7. They are not divided by 2, so 2 times 2 3 times will be 6, and 2 4 times will be 8, so it will be greater. So we will take 2 3 times, 6 will be there, and after that we will get 1. So remainder is not here 0. If the remainder becomes 0, then we say that it is exactly divided by the numbers. So this is not exactly divisible by 2, so these are called odd numbers. The number that are even, they can never be odd. The number that are odd, they can never be even. Look, 2 4 6 8, and between these spaces are odd number 1 3 5 7. So hope so you people understand this very well, even numbers and odd numbers. And the next, okay, all right, the next is here. Our next is Roman numbers. Roman numbers are the numbers that are the main table of the number up to 1000 is here. This is here for 1, V is for 5, and X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, and then D is for 500, and M is for 1000. This is the basic table of Roman symbols and Arabic numerals. So in our home, maybe like this kind of clock, also in markets, are they are hanging in the beside the walls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, up to 12 you can learn from your clock. And first of all, I told that we have to learn up to 20. So after that, what will be 12? Then it will be 13 will be like this. Then after 14, how we can write 4? 4 is like this. And how we can write 10? 10, where is 10? This is 10 and 14. Just combine these two, 1 and 4. So it will be 14, like this. And how we can write 15? Where is 5? This is 5, and where is 10? This is 10. So combine these two, it will be 15, like this. And where is 16? So where is 6 and 10? Combine these two. 17, combine 10 and 7, it will be done. And how we can write 20? So how we can write 10? This is 10. So 20 have 2 tens. One more time you will write X. So this is 20. So I think up to 20, 1 to 20, you people will learn like this. I want to summarize this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 up to 12, it is here in the clock. They are simple. We are using in our daily life, and up to 12 you people know very well. If the student who don't know, just look here. Up to 3, this is very simple. And 4 and 5, I want to give the basic concept of this 4. And where is the 6? This 6. Look here, I wrote here, this is 4. We should know this. In these two, 1, I and V, which one is the greatest value? We know that V is the greatest because V is here for 5 and I is here for 1. So greatest is on the next to the smaller. The greatest symbol is next to the smaller. So how we will write? We will subtract these two. If the smallest number is next to the greatest, if the smallest number is next to the greatest symbol, if the smaller symbol is next to the greatest symbol, then we will add them, then it will be 6. I am going to repeat this concept. This is an important concept. How we can subtract these two numbers. How we will say 5, how we will say 6, like this. How we can write 11 and how it will be 18, 17. So because of this, if the greater symbol is just next to the smaller symbol, here 5 is greater, V is greater because its value is 5, and I is smaller, its value is 1. So V is next to the smaller symbol, so we can subtract these two, 5 minus 1. If the smaller will be just next to the greater, then we will add them. So please, all of you must make practice for this. Repeat 3 to 4 times in your mind that two sentences that I told now. Okay. Our next topic is here, smaller and greater. We will also see, but first of all, the activities are here. We have to solve these activities. First of all, this activity in Arabic, these are Arabic and these are Roman. 1 here, x I, 12 x double I, 13. If you people are, I told you should have a rough copy in front of you before during listening my lecture. So you will solve this by yourself. 15 also, 15 is here, 16, 17 up to 20. You people will solve this from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 1 you will solve. So 1 to 20 will be the activity homework. You will solve on your neat copies. Okay, for neat copy, there are some rules to writing on a neat copy. During writing on neat copy, your hand should be neat and clean, because if your the page because of this your page will be neat and clean. Your pen, your marker will be also in good form. The pen, there should be no leakage of your pen during writing, so that our neat page will be neat and clean. Okay, the next activity is here, 9 minus 5. This is 9 here minus 5. I told about this before some time, Ix. This x is here. Just here, who is smaller? This is smaller and this is greater. When the greater is just next to the smaller, then we will subtract. So 10 minus 1, it will be 9, and 9 minus 5, it will be 4. So it will be right like this. The other you people will solve by yourself. And for addition, 1 I will solve. This is 5 and this is 2I, so it will be 7. So how we will write? We will write like this, 7. So you people will solve the other on your rough copy and just after neat copy. You people will also make a clock on your neat copies, so that this table will be on your neat copies. And from page 1 to 5, 1 to 5 has done. So this activity is on your book. The first activity will be your homework. So hope so you people understand my lecture. So next lecture तक मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. इंशाल्लाह next lecture में मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.